Hi, greetings to all. Myself Krishna Prasad, and I'm an alumnus of WIMS. So happy to receive the call from faculties of WIMS regarding the alumnus meet that's going to happen in the sooner way, that too in a virtual platform. Amidst the conditions of all the COVID pandemic conditions, it's quite difficult for anyone to commute right now because everyone are busy with their schedules because we are all just 3 years or 4 years ahead from just passed out from the WIMS. So it is quite difficult that too. We are all, many of them are from different states, and it's quite difficult right now to come over to Coimbatore to attend the alumnus meet. And it's very thankful to the faculties and the management of WIMS for setting up a virtual platform to get us all connected after many years. The same note, I'd like to thank WIMS in many ways, because it's not about the experiences or the memories which we still hold upon our heart and head. It's other than that, where we are sitting right now, what we are doing is personally. My career kickstarted from WIMS. My first placement was to Microbiological Laboratory, where I was placed as a business development executive, and I worked with the company for 2.5 years. Especially my career started from Microbiological Laboratory, and the same I got placed from WIMS placement cell. I would always be thankful for that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone into this deeper into the marketing stuff. Right now, I'm working with IMIT Park as a marketing manager, dealing with many projects coming from the website. Technological aspects as well as the management roles that were taken up. I have got experiences right now from the beginning at the WIMS, when we used to handle many of the projects and assignments. It was more of a practical way than going through a theoretical aspect. So that itself spotted in us that many of the things we need, especially in the corporate life, were experiences weighed more. The way we got the training, and we have learned many of the things, even coming to not just about the academical aspects, coming to a program to be conducted in the college or an association or the clubs, where students were the people who used to coordinate and who used to manage the things, manage the whereabouts and how the entire list have to be coordinated and the logistics, everything. So that itself spotted in us that how, in any situation or any condition, how things have to be managed and how to bring out the end result to a positive note. That's how we are. That's how we were trained up, and that really reflected personally in my career, even if it was in my previous company as well as the company where I'm working in, where many of the management techniques as well as the coordination were, which was initially sprouted by WIMS when I was vice chairman with the WIMS regarding coordinating the events as well as many of the programs. We all were involved in many aspects, which internally or indirectly have reflected in our own career. So even coming to the faculties, me personally have many connections with the faculties of WIMS, even if they are in the WIMS or if they have walked out from the WIMS. I'm not sure about that, but many of them are still in contact with us, and it's not about the academical aspects. Even if we need any personal note, help or mentorship, or recently I was in contact with some of the faculties regarding a help which I need in the business aspect, which they gave me the solutions and what to be done many ways. So I don't have to take out their name and present it over this session, because it's still happening. We are still dependent on our mentors and trainers, and they are really helpful at any time when we need it, not just in the student aspect as well as the friends or that bond we have with the faculties. Really thank you, and once again I want to thank you, the WIMS faculties and the management, for getting up this kind of virtual meet for an alumnus to get us all connected after a long time. Thank you very much. Meet you all soon.